First, we need to go to the message template option from WhatsApp Bot Manager and create a message template. Now write a template name to identify it later. So I'm going to write dynamic URL test. And I will select marketing for template category. And in the message body, I'm going to write hello. I'm going to take the username, paste it over here. And how are you? Okay, please click on the below URL to know more about our software. Now for button, I'm going to select call to action. For button text, I'm going to write visit website. And I'm going to click on variables and I'm going to choose link page and click on save. And the message template is ready. Now that our message template is ready, now we just need to sync the template and get WhatsApp's approval for the message template. So click on sync template. And as you can see, it says it's pending. WhatsApp didn't check yet. So let's click again. And it's approved. Great. Now let's go to the live chat. And in the live chat, you can see a button called send flow or message template. So let's choose the message template that we just created and let's try to send it and see if it works. So select message template and click this one. And for link page, I'm going to write pricing and submit. Okay, as you can see, it's sent. Now let's check this in from our WhatsApp account. So open WhatsApp account and yeah, the message is here. So visit website and as you can see, our URL works. If you click on it, it will take you to your URL that you provided in the message template. And that's how dynamic URL works.